Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the auto restart problem in your device Motorola G53. So if in your device Motorola G53, if you are having the issue related to the auto restart, like your device restarts automatically, I will show you how you can fix it. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and now let's watch the video.